Good morning, friends. Today we want to discuss related with the section C. In last two videos already we have discussed about section A and section B. Today we want to discuss about the section C. So before we start section, again I say to you, 24 marks question is there. So for 1 marks always remember 2.25 minutes. So that way you have to calculate and complete into 48 plus 3. So 50, between 50 or 55 minutes you have to complete this, or you can take 1 hour related with it, because 24 to the 48 minutes already we have completed, and 1/4 it means 60 minutes it required. Now we concentrate on mean and median. We know that mean x bar is equal to sigma f5 xi upon sigma f5. So sigma f5 xi, or in 9th standard already sigma xi upon n. So sigma xi means sum of observation. Already we have completed this sigma fi xi upon sigma fi or sigma xi upon n. So we are using this formula for find out the mean. So again x bar is equal to sum of observation, that is 15 plus 22 plus 18 plus 27 plus 31 plus 21 plus 14 plus 36 plus 25 plus 34 upon how many observations are there that we have to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So I have to divide it by 10. Now important is what way you are doing the plus. That is important every time, remember it. If you are doing mistake in addition form, you will not get correct answer. So always first what way you have to remember it, tens value you have to get. Here tens value is 10, here 20, here again 10, here again 20, here 30, here 20, here 10, 30. That way you have to calculate first. So if we will see properly, 10 plus 20, 30 plus 10, 40, 40 plus 20, 60, 60 plus 30, 90, 90 plus 20, 110, 100 plus 10, 120, 120 plus 30, 150, 150 plus 20, 170, 170 plus 30, that is 200. So already you have get 200. Now only you have to do the addition of unit place value. You will see that unit place value we have to count. So 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 8, 15, 15 plus 7, that is 22, 22 plus 1, 23, 23 plus 10, 23 plus 10, 33 plus 1, 34, 34 plus 9, 34 plus 9, that is 43. So 243 upon 10, that you have to write. So 24.3 is the mean. So mean is easy, but median is difficult to find out. So for median, what we have to write, n is equal to 10, that is even number. When n is equal to even number, then median formula is that is n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation divided by 2. But important thing is that we have to arrange this observation increasing order or decreasing order. So if you will arrange this increasing and decreasing, we have to start from the smallest digit. So which is the smallest digit, that we have to write first. 15 we have to write. Afterward I have to write 18. 15, 18. Afterward I have to write 21. Afterward I have to write, sorry, here one of the more observation already we have forgot, that is 14, 15, 18, 21. Afterward you will see 22 is there. Afterward 22, afterward you will see 25, then 27, then 31, then 34. Again we have to see, is there any mistake in the sequence? Then we have get wrong answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 observation are there. Now for median, n by, so 10 divided by 2, that is 5th observation, plus 6th observation divided by 2. Now what is the 5th observation? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, that is 22. So 22 plus 25 divided by 2. Don't do cancellation of 2 11s up. In addition, we cannot divide numerator upon denominator. So 22 plus 25, that is 47. So 47 divided by 2, that is 23.5. That is the correct answer. So the answer is 23.5. Again I say to you, at least every questions, 3 marks questions are there. So at least within 5 or 6 minutes you have to complete anyhow this sum. Then it will be save your time for D section. I hope you have understand it. Now, so we go for next sum. Now in next sum, if you will see properly, question is find the mean of the given data given below by all 3 methods. So you will see that how there are 3 different ways we have to get answer. So first of all, I am writing the formula for this. That is first sigma fi xi upon sigma fi. Second formula, x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi di upon sigma fi. And third formula, that is a plus sigma fi ui sigma fi into height h. All these 3 formula is used to find out the mean. Now question is in form of horizontal. We have to write everything in vertical. So if you go for vertical, first of all we have to write the class at here. Afterward I have to write the frequency at here. Afterward I have to write xi. You know everyone that what is the meaning of xi? Sum of class divided by 2. Lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. Afterward what we have to write? First write here it is fi, we can say fi xi. Now we have to write di. Di means we know that xi minus a, and then I have to write ui. Then we have to write sigma fi xi. Then we have to write sigma fi ui. So I have to rub these formulas and then we again class frequency xi di ui fi xi fi di and fi ui. But every time answer must be same. That is the important. Mostly we have seen the student compulsory use step deviation method to get perfect answer. So 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, up to 50 to 60 and 60 to 70. Now 04, 08, 03, 20, 03, 0408. In question, total frequency is not given, so we have to wait first do the total of it. So 4 plus 8 12, 12 plus 3 15, and again 15, 7 15 and 15, that is 30. 0 carry the 3 plus 2, that is 50. Always remember, that is important. If we will do wrong at here, then we cannot get a correct answer. 8 plus 4 plus 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 3 15, 15 plus 3 18, 18 plus 4 22, 22 plus 8 30. 0 carry 3, 3 plus 2, that is 5. Now xi. So 0 plus 10 divided by 2. So we can write 5. Here we have to write 15. Again 0 plus 10, that is 5. 10 plus 20, that is 30. 30 divided by 2, that is 50. So we know the difference of it. 10 difference is there. So I can write directly now. Now di is equal to xi minus a. How many class are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So 7 is a odd number. So 7 plus 1, that is 8 divided by 2. Fourth class, that is 1, 2, 3 and fourth class I have to take value a and make round at here. And always put 0. Now what is the class length? 10, 10, 10. So I have to increase by 10. So minus 10, minus 20, minus 30. Here I can do 10, 20 and 30. Now for ui. Again, ui is equal to, again I am right, ui is equal to, what is the value of ui is equal to xi minus a by h. So already here class length is 10. So already di value is at here. So we have to write again 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. 1, 2 and 3. Now if we write sigma fi xi, so I have to multiply. 5 4s are 20. Again fi xi 15, 8s are 120. 25 3s are 75. Again 25 3s are 75. 35 2s are 70 plus 0, so 700. Again 45 3s are 135. 55 4s are 220. And 65 8s are, so 5 8s are 40. 5 8s are 40. 0 carry 4. 6 8s are 40. 8 plus 4, 520. Now if I want to do the addition of it, and anyhow we have to get answer. So total of it, when we want to do total, 0 5 5 10 carry 1. So tens place I have to see. Tens place 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 7 14, 14 plus 5 19 carry 1. 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 7 15, 15 plus 1 16, 16 plus 1 17. So now formula is x bar is equal to sigma fi xi upon sigma fi. If I will write 1970 divided by 50, 10 is cancelled. If I multiply by 2, 9 2s are 18, carry 1, 7 2s are 14, 15, carry 1, 2 1s are 2, upon 10. Answer is 35.8. So answer is 35.8. That is the mean by direct method. Now we go for assume mean. So what we will get answer? Sigma x bar is equal to sigma fi xi upon sigma fi, 35.8. Now I have to rub this and again do. Now we go for which method? That is assume mean. So for assume mean, again fi di. So fi, that is 4 into di, that is minus 120. Again fi di, fi with di. So there are, I think, fi di, 30 into 4 120, 20 into 8 minus 160. Again minus 10 into 3 minus 30. 0, here always 0. Again fi di, we are doing fi di, 10 into 3 30. Now we are doing plus. Again 20 into 4, that is 80. Again 30 into 8, 240. Now I have to simplify this. So already we know that is cancel. Now what is the total of it? So I have to do here minus 160 minus 120. Answer is minus 280. If I will do 240 plus 80, that is plus 320. So I have to write at plus 320. Now between this difference is what? 40. So I have to write 40 at here. Now what the formula is? We know that formula is, that is x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi di upon sigma fi. So what is our assumed mean? 35. Plus, what is the answer? 40 by 50. This 0 cut. So 35 plus 0.8, that is 35.8. That is by we can say assume mean. Now we go for step deviation method. I think it is the easiest way, that is step deviation. So now again I have to concentrate on step deviation. So again I have to rub this also, so we can get perfect answer directly. Again this also I have to rub this and concentrate only on sigma fi ui. So what fi ui? So fi ui, so minus 12, minus 16, minus 3, 0, 3, 8, and here 3 is there, so 24. Again this cut, minus 28 plus 32, so plus 4. Now x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi ui upon sigma fi into height h. So what is the value of a? That is 35. So 35 plus 4 upon 50 into class length 10. So again same, 35 plus 40 upon 50. This 0 cut. So 35 plus 0.8, that is 35.8. So it's a best revision according to me. If you will visualize or go through the video thoroughly, then chapter number 14, mean, median and mode. So mean, it's a one type of revision in one sum only. That is why in SET-1 they give this type of sum, so we can understand mean, median and mode. Now we go for next, that is question number 41. Now mostly if you will see all questions are easy if you will understand chapter number 14 properly, chapter number 13 properly, chapter number 15 also. Now question number, that is 41. Solve 2x plus 3y is equal to 11 and 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 24, and hence find the value of m for y is equal to mx plus y. So first of all I am writing the equation, that is 2x plus 3y is equal to 11, that is equation number 1, and 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 24, that is equation number 2. Now everyone know there are three different algebraic methods to solve the linear equation into variable. One of it substitution method, another is elimination method. So which is out of two, which is the easiest way is that elimination method is easiest way. Elimination method is the easiest. So we can easily eliminate one variable. How we can eliminate any one variable? Because you will see that here it is x, coefficient is 2, here variable is x, coefficient is 2. Just we have to change the sign, then we can get value of x. So minus plus plus, we can get value of it. So 4 plus 3, that is 7y is equal to 35. So we can easily y is equal to 5. Too much easy according to me if we will go through this. So we can get value of y is equal to 5. 2 plus minus cancel, plus 3 plus 4, that is 7, 11 plus 24, that is 35. Now what we have to do? Now 2x plus 3y is equal to 11. I have to put value of 5. So 2x plus 3 into 5 is equal to 11. So 2x plus 15 is equal to 11. So 2x is equal to So 2x plus 15 is equal to 11. So 2x is equal to 11 minus 15. So 2x is equal to minus 4. X is equal to minus 2. So two values we have get. X equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 5. That we have to put in y is equal to mx plus 3. So if I will put value of y is equal to mx plus 3, then we can get value of m. So you will see that y is equal to 5 and in bracket I have to write minus 2 plus 3. So 5 minus 3 is equal to minus 2. So 2 is equal to minus 2m. So m is equal to minus 2 by 2. M is equal to minus 1. So value of m is equal to minus 1. I hope you have to write only 3 marks we have. So you will get 3 marks each marks. Here you will get 1 marks, here you will get 1 marks, and here you will get 1 marks if you will write it properly. So now we go for next sum. That is question number 42. It's a easy question. Just we have to write it's a consistent or inconsistent. So we know that what is the meaning of consistent. What is the meaning of consistent? That is unique solution and infinite solution. That is called, that is consistent, that is unique solution or infinite solution. So we are discussing about the inconsistent and consistent. So what is the meaning of consistent? Always unique solution and infinite solution. Consistence means unique solution and infinite solution. While inconsistence means parallel. When we can say it's a parallel, a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 not is equal to c1 upon c2, we can say parallel. And for unique solution, infinite solution, always remember a1 upon a2 not equal to b1 upon b2, we can say unique solution. And a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2, we can say infinite solution or dependent. So now first we are discussing about the first. 1 upon first, that is x plus 2y is equal to 10, 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. Now we have to just say if it is consistent or inconsistent. It is not necessary that we have to explain everything. When 3 questions are there, each carry 1 marks. So just we have to write that it is under which condition, that is important for us. So you will see that in standard form we can write x plus 2y minus 10 is equal to 0, 2x minus 3y minus 12 is equal to 0. Afterward I have to write that 1 upon 2 not is equal to 2 upon 3. So we can say it is under the consistent. So first answer that we can say it is consistent. Why we can say it is consistent? Already know that a1 upon a2 not is equal to b1 upon b2. Now for second, 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. 2x plus 3y is equal to 6 and 4x plus 6y is equal to 12. Now you will see 2 upon 4 is equal to 3 upon 6 is equal to 6 upon 2. Every time we can get same answer 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So we can say again it is a consistent, but it has an infinite solution, that is called dependent. So 1 upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 2. So again it is also under the consistent. Now third, 3x plus 5y is equal to 30, 9x plus 15y is equal to 50. So now we go for third. In third you will see properly 3x plus 5y minus 30 is equal to 0 and 9x plus 15y minus 50 is equal to 0. Now I am right 9 upon 3 is equal to 5 upon 50 not is equal to 30 upon 50. So 1 by 3 we can write at here. Again write we can 1 by 3 not is equal to 3 by 5. 1 by 3 is not is equal to 1 by 3 not equal to minus 3 by 5. That is why it is under the inconsistent. So first is consistent, second is again consistent with dependent because of infinite solution, and third is under the inconsistent. So I hope you have understand this also. Now we go for next, that is 43. In 43 if you will see by prime factorization method. So these are already, you are too much away from 8th, 9th and 10th is equal to 0. So 6x square, 6 2s are 12, factor of 12, 3 4s are 12. So minus 4x plus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. So 2x common, then 3x minus 2 plus 1 common, 3x minus 2. So 2x plus 1 is equal to 0 and 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. So I can write x is equal to minus 1 by 2, x is equal to 2 by 3. These are all called the zeros, minus 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. It is easy, we have not wasted our time. Now we concentrate on question number 44. So in 44, find the sum of, whenever just you write the formula, you will get half marks if you will write the formula is correct. You will get easily half marks. So 2a plus n minus 1, again I rub and write it properly. Sn is equal to n by 2. In bracket I have to write 2a plus n minus 1 and d. Bracket over. Now what is the first term that I have to write at here? A is equal to 8, n is equal to 15 and d we have to find out, that is 3 minus 8, that is minus 5. Whatever given that we have to write. Now S 15, that is 15 upon 2, 2 into 8 plus 14, in bracket I have to write minus 5. because 3 minus 8, that is minus 5. Now 15 by 2, 16, 8 2 is 16, 14 5 is 70. Here I have to write minus 70. So 15 by 2, here plus minus minus, but we have to write minus negative sign. So minus with what I have to write? 54. Now here it is cancellation. So 15 multiplied by minus 27. So answer must be negative. Now what the answer is? 15 again as find the sum of first. See, I am doing mistake. What I am writing at here? 22. So we are doing mistake at here. That is I have to write 22. So 22. Sorry for it. So 22 by 2, 22 by 2 and 22. So 20 you can already cancel here. 11 into minus 54. We have to cancel 2 into 11. So 11 I have to write into minus 54. So 54 I have to write 2 times. I think we are doing some mistake or not, that again I have to rub this properly and do it again. Question number 44, we are doing some mistake. Find the sum of first 22 term. So again I am write n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. Now what is n? I have to write first. N is equal to 22 and n is equal to 22, a is equal to 8 and d is equal to minus 5. That I have to write. So 22 by 2 in bracket 2 into 8 plus 22 minus 1 and d, that is minus 5. So if I will divide it, we are doing 11. 16 plus 21 into minus 5. So 11, 16 minus 105. 21 5 is minus 105 into minus 16. So if I will 105 minus 6, if I will do, then 99. Again 99 minus 10, that is 89. So 11 into minus 89. So 89 2 times I have to write. So minus 979. That is the answer. Now for next, that is 45. So it's an easy explanation. Now we go for next sum. When parallelogram is there, so we have to draw one parallelogram. In parallelogram, A, B, C and D. Their points are intersected point, that is M. Now AC is equal to BD parallelogram. So M is a midpoint of AB and M is a midpoint of AC. So we know the midpoint theorem, that is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Or if I will write the if I will write it here x1 y1, if I will write here x2 y2, if I will write x3 y3, and if I will write x4 y4 at here, then x1 plus x3 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by y3 by 2 is equal to x2 plus x4 by 2 comma y2 plus y4 divided by 2. Now we can compare this. Why? Because n is midpoint of AC also and n is midpoint of BD also. Now we have to put a value. So we have to write 6, 1 8 here. Afterward 8, 2 8 here. Afterward 9, 4 8 here. And P, 3. Now we have to put the value. So what we have to find out value of only P. So again they are in order, otherwise we can get two values. But when they are in order, we have to only compare the x. So now x1 that is 6 plus x3 that is 9 divided by 2. Now here x2 that is 8, x4 that is p divided by 2. These two we can easily cancel it. So 8 plus 9 plus 6 15. 15 minus 8 is equal to p. So value of p that is 7. So value of p is equal to 7. I hope you have also understand this sum also. You can also take the screenshot so you can easily remember it. Now for question number 46. Again point on x-axis which are equidistant from. So first off let point P on x-axis value of y is 0. So x, 0. Let point P x, 0 is equidistant from given points. So let me take P x, 0 here. Now A, what is the value of A? That is 2, minus 5. What is the value of B? That is minus 2, 9. Find the point on x-axis which is equidistant from. So we can say these are all equal. Here it is point P. So I have to write AP is equal to PB. Therefore AP square is equal to PB square. When square is there, I have to apply the distance formula. Everyone know the distance formula: x1 minus x2 whole to square plus y1 minus y2 whole to square. But here when AB is there, AB is equal to under root. But if write AB square, then it should be, we will remove this root. So just apply, we can apply x minus 2 whole to square plus 0 plus 5 whole to square. Again I have to apply it here, x plus 2 whole to square plus 0 minus 9 whole to square. Now open the perfect square. So x square minus 4x plus 4 plus 25. Again here x square plus 4x plus 4 plus 81. So this square we can cancel it. So minus 4x plus 29 is equal to 4x plus 85. If I will shift it, 4x minus 4x is equal to 85 minus 29. So minus 8x is equal to, out of 85 I have to subtract 85 minus 29. So 15 minus 9 that is 6, 7, 2 that is 5. So only 56 is there. So x is equal to minus 7. So coordinate of P that is 7, 0. Coordinate of P minus 7, minus. So your answer is minus P minus 7, 0. I think you have understand this also. Now 47. We concentrate on 47. In 47, if you will see properly, question is find the total surface area of block. So TSA of block. TSA of block. So if I will take TSA of block, what I have to take? That is total surface area of Q plus CSA of curved surface area of hollow hemisphere minus area of circle. Why I am taking like that? Because here it's a circle that I have to remove. So now put formula 6L square plus 2 pi r square minus pi r square. So radius is at here same. So we can directly apply 6L square plus pi r square. Now what is the value of L? That is 5. So already given 6 into 5 square plus value of pi, that is 22 by 7. Value of r, that is here given. What is it? Diameter. So diameter is equal to 4.2 centimeter. Then radius is equal to 2.1. So I have to write 2.1 into 2.1. So 6 into 25. 5 square 25. So we can write 150. Here we can cancel, that is 0.3. 7 3 are 21. So 22 into 3, that is 66. But one digit point, that is into 2.1. So 66 into 2.1, if we do, then that is 13.86 here. 13.86. So 163.86 centimeter square is answer. 66 into 6.6 into 2, 1. We can get 13.86. So again, to get 3 marks, it is not necessary to explain more and more. 6 steps at least you have to write. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So in 6 steps you can get answer. So each step get half marks. Now, still 3 sums are there. It is with the again probability. So we know that in probability, the first of always take P, and or we can write the event 1. So cheats number from 1 to 20 are kept in a box and mixed thoroughly. One cheat is drawn random from the bags. Find the probability that the odd number and multiple of 5. So after 1 to 20, how many odd numbers are there? 10 odd numbers are there. So odd number, that is 10. So PE1 is equal to 10 upon 20, that is 1 by 2. We don't want to waste our time at here. Same thing, multiple of 5. 5 4s are 20. So PE2 multiple of 5. Multiple of 5, that is 4 5s are 20. So 4 terms are there. So now PE2 is equal to 4 upon 20. So 1 by 5. So 1 by, I think, what is the question is? Sorry, third I am doing. Third, that is first. Prime numbers are also there. I am doing the third, 1 by. So now you can also find out how many primes number are. Don't take prime number 1. Don't take 1 as a prime number. Now 49. First of all, in 49, what I have to write? Balance coin 3 times. So I have to write each event. So head, and head. Again head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, head. Again tail, head, tail. So still one is remaining, that is tail, head, and tail, and tail. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and still 1 is remaining. That is check it which is remaining, head, tail. Head, tail is not there. So head and tail. So anyhow you have to write this first. Then we have to concentrate exactly to head. Exactly to head. So again what the question is? Exactly to head receive. So you will see at here, exactly at here, exactly to head. So how many heads are there? 3. So we have to write in first PE1, that is 3 upon 8. Now we do at least 2 head, minimum 2 head, at least 2 head, at least minimum, maximum it must be. So I can take these 3 head also. So 2 head is acceptable and 3 head. Question is at least means minimum. So we can take 3 head also. So we can take 4 upon 8. That is 1 by 2. And at most 2 head. Maximum 2 head. At most 2 head. So everything, if here we have to cancel this. At most means maximum only 2 head I have to take. So all events we can take. Either no head is also possible. So that is why P3 is equal to 7 upon 8. So mostly I have taken all the sum. Still one sum is remaining. That is question number 50. Find the mode formula. So we know that Z is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 twice F1 minus F0 minus F2 into height h. Always remember that you have to write. Now what is L? That is everything is given. 200. F1 minus F0. F1 minus F0 twice F1 F0 21 minus F2 that is 13 into height h, that is always given in question 100. Now you simplify, we can get some answer. Your answer, if your answer is incorrect, but if you will do everything correct way, you will lose only half marks. So 37, 7 minus 1 that is 6, 3 minus 2 that is 1. 37 2s are 74 minus 34 into 100. So 200, 16, 74 minus 34 that is 50 into 100 that is 2. So 32. So 200 plus 32 that is 232. So I think we are doing some mistakes at here. Answer 37, sorry, at here 16. Here we have to write 74. Let me check that where we are doing the mistake. So 37 F0 21. So 37 minus 21 that is 6, that is 16. Again, what is the class difference? Okay. Now, yes, here we are doing some mistake. 34 minus that is 40. I have to write. So, again 200 plus 16 upon 74 minus 34 into 100. So, 200 plus 16 upon 40 into 100. This 0 cut. 4 4s are. So 200 plus 40 is equal to 240. So I think I have completed this D section, C section also for your expenses. Please write your comment at here if you have some doubt, and also share the videos to your friend 10th standard, those who are solving the Gala paper set, and also subscribe our school channel. Thank you.